I'm here with Team Canada and the Hands-On Labs at VMworld. I wanted to introduce you to the Canadian Hands-On Labs team and tell you what we've been doing here. So I'm going to introduce you first to Peter Kieran. And Peter, can you tell us where do these labs come from that all our customers are working on?
Thanks very much, Peter. Here at the Hands-On Labs in VMworld and Las Vegas, we developed over 80 labs. We have lab captains who are comprised of SCs, our technical account managers, and many other staff from amongst VMworld to develop content for our customers. We spent hundreds of hours developing this content and delivered it here at VMworld, and it's been a great experience. It helps the system engineer, solution engineer community get a better grasp of our products and how we can best sell those back to our customers and deliver an exceptional experience to them here at VMworld.
Excellent. Thank you very much. And you can see we're kind of breaking down the lab for the day.